Is the Bharti AXA Life Child Advantage Plan truly a smart way to secure your child's financial future, or just another traditional policy with limited upside? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. So hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now before we analyze this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a non-linked participating individual life insurance savings plan, and some of the key features of the policy are: it offers you a choice between two maturity benefit options. In the event of an unfortunate incident, the guaranteed benefits will continue as scheduled and all future premiums will be waived. So based on your child's age, you can select a policy term ranging from 11 to 21 years, and all the premiums you have paid and benefits received may be eligible for tax benefits, which is subjected to the prevailing tax laws and provisions. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are some benefits like maturity benefits and death benefits which will differ based on the plan variant you have opted for. Now let us take a look at the advantages. So some of the advantages are: your policy protection can be enhanced by opting for additional riders which are subjected to the policy's terms and conditions. The policy permits loans of up to 70% of the acquired surrender value, and waiver of premium in the event of death is provided as an inbuilt benefit under the plan. So these are some of the benefits. However, there are some drawbacks like the money back payouts are insufficient to meet major or long-term financial goals. The policy term and premium payment tenure offer limited flexibility, so the returns generated by the plan are relatively low compared to alternative investment options. So guaranteed payouts under the money back option cannot be deferred or adjusted to suit individual cash flow requirements. The final maturity benefit is uncertain as it is dependent on bonus declarations. These are some of the drawbacks that we need to keep in our mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as you have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the policy brochure's benefit illustration to help us make an informed decision. So for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male has purchased this policy with a base sum assured of 18.18 lakh and a policy term of 20 years and a premium paying term of 20 years. The annual premium is 1 lakh. So during the last 5 years of the policyholder receives guaranteed payouts followed by a maturity benefit at the end of the policy term, which is dependent on bonus declarations. The projected benefits under 4 and 8% return scenarios are just for example purpose, and they are subjected to the insurer's performance. The benefits received are as follows. So at the end of the 15th and 16th year, 1,81,851 rupees each, and the end of the 17th and 18th year, 2,72,771 rupees each. End of the 19th year, you get 3,63,702 rupees, and end of the 20th year you get 7,27,405 rupees plus bonus. So bonus at 4% is 4,440,080 rupees, and bonus at 8% is 12,218 rupees. So under the 4% scenario, the IRR works out to be just 2.13% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which does not add any meaningful value to the investment. Even under the 8% scenario, the IRR improves only to 4.74% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which remains lower than returns offered by most debt instruments. This analysis clearly indicates that despite the presence of guaranteed benefits, the overall returns are inadequate. With education costs rising at an inflation rate of 8 to 10%, these payouts are unlikely to meaningfully support your future education expenses. So additionally, the sum assured is also insufficient to meet even basic family protection needs. So investing in this policy may therefore significantly compromise with your long-term financial goals. So now that we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis using an alternative approach. Instead of combining insurance and investment, we are going to invest in both separately just to see whether that can give us better returns. So here we are going to use same or similar parameters from the previous example for a much more fair comparison. So under the Bharti policy, the death benefit consists of the sum assured along with the applicable bonuses. So in the earlier example, the sum assured was 18.18 lakhs. Instead, consider opting for a pure term life insurance policy with a higher sum assured of 25 lakhs, a policy term of 20 years and a premium paying term of 20 years. The annual premium for such a policy is approximately 7,400 rupees. This leaves us with 92,600 rupees out of the 1 lakh annual outflow available for investment, which can be allocated based on the investor's risk appetite. For investors with a higher risk tolerance, equity oriented instruments such as the equity mutual funds can be considered, and conservative investors may prefer debt oriented options like the public provident fund PPF. So, assuming an equity mutual fund is chosen, the cash flow pattern is structured to mirror that of the Bharti policy. So, the results are significantly different here. Capital gains tax is assumed only at the final redemption, and after considering the annual exemption limit of 1.25 lakhs, under these assumptions, the internal rate of return works out to be 10.80%. Moreover, if no interim withdrawals are made and the investment is allowed to compound, the effective returns would be even higher. So, this comparison clearly highlights that separating insurance and investment offers you with superior liquidity, flexibility, and return potential. So, what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Bharti AXA Life Child Advantage Plan worth it or not? So, this policy offers you with guaranteed cash payouts along with the life insurance coverage. So, features such as premium waiver and policy continuance in the event of death add to its appeal. However, selecting this product solely on the basis of guaranteed payouts may not be a prudent decision. Return analysis indicates that the plan delivers suboptimal performance, with returns often lower than those offered by standard debt instruments. So, for long term financial goals, investment returns must exceed inflation. Unfortunately, the returns generated by the Bharti policy are inadequate to meet major life goals. While the plan does provide a lump sum death benefit, along with premium waiver and policy continuance benefits, these features alone are insufficient to truly secure your child's future, and it also has a high agent commission. So instead of relying on rigid and inflexible cash payouts from a children's plan, starting early and planning investments proactively yields better outcomes. Adequate life insurance coverage is a critical foundation for achieving all financial goals, and opting for a pure term life insurance policy ensures sufficient protection at a relatively low cost. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.